I want to show you how to install and use the x402 Autopay Chrome extension so that you can automatically pay for x402 gated API calls in any website that you encounter. This is going to be a quick process, so feel free to follow along. So first we'll go to the repository address of the extension while it's still not in Chrome Web Store. When the approval goes through, you'll be able to install it through the Web Store as well. Right now you have to install from source. There are two ways. You can clone this code, or you can just go to the releases page, just click on any recent release, and under assets, there will be a zip file. I'll download this one, and then we can open this. So you can see here we have it, and this is basically the unzipped extension already prepared for loading. So to install it, you'll go to your browser's extensions page, and then you will click Load Unpacked. And just go to the folder and just click Select. So now the extension is loaded, and once you click on, so you'll see that it's flagged as new here. You can just pin it to have it always available. And if I click on it, you'll see that the wallet is not configured. So how do we configure it? We can just click Create New. It will just generate a new private key, and then we'll just input a passphrase. Save. And now we have this wallet. Now, it automatically reads the balances that you have on this account. And to actually have a balance, you're supposed to send USDC to this address on Polygon. Now, you can do this through any on-ramp, any centralized exchange, or from another wallet. Doesn't matter from where you send. And the wallet does not need any POL tokens, does not need any gas tokens. You can just send USDC. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import private key I have from before. So I'll just remove this one for now and change into a new wallet. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to save this. So now you can see that as soon as it refreshes, I have $50 of USDC in this wallet account, right? You can see all of your site policies and recent payments will be here as you encounter them. And you can also configure auto payment settings here, what threshold you want to not be asked under, and what daily cap it should monitor, and so on. So all of these settings you can play around with. Right now, let's just see how this works. So now our extension is active and has a wallet that has some funds in it. So I'll go to my demo page with the demo joke. And keep in mind that our wallet has to be unlocked for this to work. So if it's not locked, so you can just unlock it here by inputting passphrase. You can see until when it's unlocked. And as you're unlocking it, you can also say for how long you want it unlocked. Just a security measure. So let's unlock it. And then I'll just click the fetch joke button. And ideally, this is going to go to the endpoint, get the x402 payment required response, interpret the requirements, sign the message that allows the facilitator, which is like this third-party service that processes these payments, to pay for it, and then return the actual results without us having to do much. So now it's asking me to authorize the payment. I'm being asked with the amount and everything and how much balance I have. And so then I can just approve this. Now it's fetching the joke. It's going there. It's settling everything on chain. And it's going to return the joke any second now. There we go. So now we have the joke. And this was our endpoint request. That's how you use the Autopay extension. Play around with this. If you have any contributions or ideas, please make an issue in our repo and we'll consider everything to make it as useful as possible for people.